morning.
We're so well rested for today's journey.
For today's journey. Just getting ready to hop on that ferry.
We really are. Hopefully.
I need to put on my one of these.
You're gonna look great.
Thanks. You didn't have to say that.
I actually look like a Ninja Turtle. Like I realize it.
That's what I'm gonna look like in a minute too for my bag. All right, so let's check out for like everybody in the whole hotel right now. So it's a little bit chaotic. Nick's ready.
Raining a little bit.
Amanda went back to go get something. I don't know where Colin and Brian are. And it's still raining.
This is so good.
It's nice, right?
I can't believe the entire thing fit on it. So ridiculous.
So we just got word that the boat ride is so rough that my friend that already went there, she said the whole boat puked the whole way. So I'm running to grab some Dramamine and hope to goodness that takes care of it. Otherwise, this is gonna be a really, really awkward boat ride. So we're delayed an hour. We're also hanging out here. Colin, however, is not doing good. Everything's still really delayed. We have this giant line of people. I think we're like an hour and a half behind now. Hopefully we make it there by dark. Boat's finally here. I'm too tired to really say anything. I'm just gonna show you. We've been here for 3 hours. Pretty scary. I threw up that whole time. My hands have never been that shaky. So glad to be there. That might have been one of the most brutal transports I've ever had. I'm like still shaking. I'm never gonna forget that. There was an option to do a 10-hour boat ride to Bangkok when we're done here, but I definitely don't think we're gonna make that happen. This island better be gorgeous, because they say Koh Tao is amazing, and that boat ride better not be for nothing. Also, I'm too out of it to film anymore. Just gonna put the camera down, get some food, and get settled. And I'll pick it up tomorrow. It'll be a full day. It'll be nice with no boats. No boats.